Are you looking to upgrade or replace your solid-state drive (SSD) in Chippawa? JTG Systems is the local expert in SSD upgrades and replacements. Our team of highly trained and certified technicians have the experience and knowledge to optimize your system and provide the best performance possible. With our same-day service and no appointment necessary, you can get your SSD replaced or upgraded quickly and easily. Call 905-892-4555 and speak with one of our friendly technicians today. JTG Systems, SSD upgrade and replacement in Chippawa.